Hi, this is Steve Sorensen, Commercial Manager at Phillips Chevrolet in Frankfort, Illinois, located at Route 30, Route 45 in downtown Frankfort. Been a family-owned business here since 1968. Today I want to show you one of my favorite enclosed service utility trucks that we carry. It's made by Forest River, Rockport. It's called the Workport version, and there's two different lengths you can get. You can get it in 12 feet, 6 inches long, which fits on a 139-inch wheelbase Express Cutaway, or you can get it in 14 foot, which fits on a 159-inch wheelbase. So what's nice about this truck is it's very high quality made. You've got really nice aluminum trim on all of this. You've got grease zerks. You got grease zerks on every one of your hinges, so you can make sure that everything stays lubricated as long as you have it. Nice fiberglass siding here. A very durable vehicle, durable body, I should say. I have an idea this body probably weighs right around 2,000 pounds on it. And putting it on a 12,300 pound GVWR vehicle, the chassis probably weighs 5,500 pounds. You've probably got 5,000 pounds of payload in this truck. So all your cabinet doors open up. You have little trays here for all your little small fittings and stuff like that doing work. This opens up like this. You've got a backup camera up top here, but what's nice about this truck is the fact that you have two access ladders on each side, and there's actually a galvanized aluminum walk ramp that goes front to back to where you can actually walk up there and tether there's 3 bars up there. You can put your ladders up there, tether everything down. So it's just a basically rolling tool shop, which is great. And once again, all your hinges here have your zerks on it to stay lubricated. The other side also has the same type of cabinetry. So you got your 2 horizontals, and then you've also got your front cabinet over here. Whoop, always helps if I unlock it. I think it's just stuck a little bit. Yeah, that's what it was. So it's a brand new truck. And you open the other side by just pulling this cable and releasing those like that. But what's nice about this, really quick, take you up in the inside really fast of it, really quick here. Jump up in here. You've got a nice little rubber tool bench here, place for storage up top. And what's nice about this is on both sides, put just button like this. If you got anything in that side cabinet that you need to grab while you're in here working, you can reach down and grab it right through this access door. So nice rubber floor here, translucent roof, but you also have an LED light. And as you can see in the shadow here, you can see that galvanized walk ramp up top for your ladder rack system. So great body. I always keep them in stock. Guys are buying them left and right. So if you have any questions at all, give me a call. Phone number is 815-469-2323, extension 398. Appreciate you guys. Have a great day.